National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Marshall County in central Illinois, northeastern Logan County in central Illinois, Woodford County in central Illinois, northwestern Dummit County in central Illinois, eastern Tazewell County in central Illinois, McLean County in central Illinois, northeastern Peoria County in central Illinois, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rome to Goodfield to near Opedal, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Carlock and Secker around 12:30 p.m. Stanford around 12:35 p.m. Normal, El Paso, Roanoke, Hudson, and McLean around 12:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Bloomington, Towanda, Highworth, Minong, Lexington, Chenoa, Downs, Cooksville, Leroy, and Colfax. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 10 and 22. Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 31. Interstate 55 between mile markers 142 and 187. Interstate 74 between mile markers 106 and 155. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. The National